Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Nadang kuya kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjara la di. Papinyan kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Uba perstun tensong sembur mitrang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya badai khmi yaktrat company boarding electric ulong ba ka sarkar Jylla kala pentikna ba ka jing pynlip boarding electric kanum palat ya ka kynta ha ka sisngi dak ba ka do ba hap an pynlip boarding electric na ka jing hiar ka hapung yam ulong ba ka sarkar Jylla ka hap an thiet boarding ha ka dor ka ba khat wei ni khat arting ka si unit but di pat sai kinong pran kam ha ka dor ka bolong druteng ka si unit.
Load shedding is inevitable, but what happened, let me just tell you. See, power trading is such a very expensive affair, so costly affair. You know, these days, because you know well, or Umiam Lake, the water level is totally down, and then we are totally dependable only in Leshka. So we have less supply of power. Ultimately, we have to buy. When we buy, you need to understand one thing. Now, the market price of per unit, it comes to around 11 rupees, 12 rupees per unit. Whereas government of Meghalaya, whereas MECL, we are selling to the consumer only 6 rupees. So therefore, to balance out these losses that we have, because we have to buy, as I said, to 11 rupees, 12 rupees, whereas we are selling at the rate of 6 rupees, you need to understand the losses that MECL has to bear. So now what we are doing is, the load shedding is not much. Maximum one day is only 1 hour.
Yeah.
So I request all the consumers to bear with the government. But I'm very sure from now on, if the rain is regular, I'm sure the load shedding will no longer be there. Unlike the previous year, I think you know, the load shedding comes to 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours also. You see, so therefore now I'm telling you, we will not cross 1 hour. And that also is temporary, and we'll make sure within few days time, once the water level goes up, we will be able to remove the load shedding in the entire state.